So interest rates have been left on hold. The real question now is, where do we go from here? What happens next? I want this to be more complicated than it is, but unfortunately, it simply comes down to inflation still. Does inflation stay under control? Does it go up again? If it goes higher, they won't cut. If it comes low enough, they will. That's all the market's looking at right now. So we will and hope that it's going to come down, or that the Bank of England are going to reduce rates for a reason to help the consumer, to reduce the burden on mortgage lending. But the reality is, until that inflation is steady and low enough, they won't cut rates. What's interesting today is the pound, on the back of the fact that they didn't cut, rallied, but it's already started to come lower again, i.e. the strength of the pound has already started to dissipate. Why? Because this is priced in. The market knows this. The market knows exactly what's happened. They knew it was going to happen, and it has. This is what is referred to as priced in. Markets trade the rumor, not necessarily the fact. What does that mean? It means that if the market thinks something's going to happen, markets behave as if that thing has happened. They're not going to cut rates, pound stays strong. If the market had thought they were going to cut rates, or there was a significant chance they were going to cut rates, we would have seen the pound even lower. Remember, currencies are, in effect, just the stock of a nation. If a currency is strong, it's because the market believes in that nation. What do I think is going to happen next month? I don't really know until I see the next inflation reading. If it's significantly lower again, if it's lower than forecast by a considerable amount, not just 20 basis points, this month it's 3.8 against 4%, that's not significant. If it comes out a lot lower, we will get that rate cut. At the moment, the market's priced in a rate cut. That's probably why the pound has come lower again today. Equally, if we see inflation higher, then that cut that the market is expecting won't come, and therefore the market will react to the fact that the outcome is different to what it expects right now.